going on? It's your boy Ed Kane. We are in the middle of a tropical storm. It's raining off and on. I forgot the name of the tropical storm, but you see the storm surge. The surf is high. Look over there. You guys can see it. Crazy high. Man, I definitely wouldn't want to be out there. Damn, that's like a 20-foot wave. No bullshit. Look out there, man. It's crazy. Wow. Storm, what is it? Is a something. I can't remember the name. But it's definitely here. We're getting rain off and on. We have all morning, or since last night. Damn, the waves are high as hell. Wow. I'm right here on the Malecon. There's some major riptides out there. I pray that nobody's out there, man, trying to swim. And excuse the phone, guys. I don't have my gimbal. I was going to Makata. Just jumped out real quick to show you guys this. The wind's blowing pretty hard. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Like I said, I don't know if you can see out there in the distance those large waves. Some of them gotta be over 20 feet. Seriously. Wow. Got Neptune out there. You can kind of get a better idea of how the waves are. Look, check it out. How the waves are crashing. Out checking out the waves. It's crazy, 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 crazy. I hope nobody here in the DR is going out in the water today. We have a few crazy people that do it every now and then. You end up. It's crazy, man. Oh.